Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and delete widgets in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com. Then simply log into your WordPress account. This is my WordPress homepage as you can see over here. Here we are going to go to the quick links option and below it is the edit site option. Simply click on edit site option and it will take you directly to the editor's page of WordPress. After you have reached the editor's page of WordPress, as you can see over here we are going to focus on the left hand side, which is the plus icon which says block inserter. Click on the block inserter and search for widget. As you can see, here are many widget options. Just select the widget you want to add to your WordPress account. Just like this, simply add that widget to your WordPress account. As you can see over here, my widget has been added. I have added the calendar widget. Now, if you want to delete this widget from here, just simply click on backspace, select the widget, then click on backspace. As you can see over here, my widget has been added, which is the calendar option over here. If I want to delete it, I will simply click on backspace on my keyboard and this widget will be disappeared from my website. As you can see over here, I have successfully deleted the widget from my WordPress page. After you are done with it, just simply click on save to save all of your changes. And that is how you add and delete widgets in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.